Good morning, everybody. Okay, I'm going to make a very short video to show you how we make chicken salad around here. I had 3 chicken tenders left over from the sheet pan chicken dinner that we did. So this is it. Nothing to it. Simple. That's how I would like it. I cooked 3 chicken tenders this morning. I boiled them so they're ready to go, and I'm going to use the mixer to shred them up. I've got pickle relish. We'll use probably about 2 tablespoons in there. Then we've got Duke's mayo. We're a firm believer in Duke, and so I use that just eyeballing it. Then we've got salt and pepper. That's it. So I'm going to use the mixer to shred the chicken up, so hold on, we'll be right back. Well, actually, I'm going to keep you here. Just close your ears. And I will be going to town today to buy a new mixer, one that's not so noisy. Okay, we got this shredded. I'll probably shred it up a little bit more, but anyway. Okay, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of pickle relish. This is sweet pickle relish. We like that. Some people like the dill. Whatever you want. Pepper, salt. It's all to taste. Whoops. Mayo, if I don't lose it, there's a big glop. That's about a tablespoon, maybe 2. Mix it up. I'm going to use the mixer again. Okay, we're going to give it a taste. Hold on, let me get a spoon. Looks good. Yep. You can use a little bit more pickle for our taste. And I might shred it up a little bit more. But anyway, it's very good. So you can make 3 chicken tenders and make a lot of chicken salad. So that's it for the day. That's our version of chicken salad around here. Hope you have a good one. Bye. Okay, one more thing. Hope everybody has a good day. It's a beautiful sunny day here. It's going to be up in the 80s. So we'll be back on the deck after a while. But anyway, hope you'll subscribe, share, and like our videos. And remember, God loves you, and so do we. Bye.